Tell us a little bit about the monitoring for Veeam Data Cloud Vault.
Yeah, as everybody knows, if you've been using Veeam One now for a while, Veeam One and Veeam Backup and Replication, they're best friends. So when Veeam Backup and Replication comes out with new features, Veeam One has to be there to support those new features. And that's exactly what this release has done. So we have monitoring for Veeam Data Cloud Vault. So within the Veeam One client, you can actually monitor your resource usage with the Data Cloud Vault. You can ensure immutability is set and identify any types of trends that are happening with space usage. Now, you also are going to have reporting capabilities. This is going to help you ensure that your backups are immutable. And you can also see usage per workload as well. You have billing and audit capabilities within the reports also. So you can see and bill your different tenants as well and see how much space they're using and bill them based on that space. There's going to be alarms that support this functionality as well, so you can keep track of, capacity and different things like that. So really, giving you that visibility into Data Cloud Vault.